considering building a brand new house? Many of us love brand new homes because, well, they're shiny, they're new, they smell like not like a new car smell, but a new house smell, and they're energy efficient. It's just nice to move into a home that has never been lived in before, right? Well, in 2021, new home construction has become a little bit frantic. And so in this video, I want to share with you what in the world is going on with new home construction. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I've lived in Texas since I was 4 years old. I've been selling real estate for over 13 years now, and my team helps you narrow down where to live in Texas. So if you're looking to buy a home, fill out my dream home questionnaire below. And if you're looking to sell a home in Texas, fill out my Sell My Home questionnaire to get exclusive benefits of selling your home with the Dana Pollard Group. The housing market, it's scorching. Red hot lava kind of market, and that's nationwide. Why? Oh my goodness, there's many reasons. Sometimes we can't even put our finger on it, but I can say interest rates are still low. There are millennials, first-time home buyers entering the market. We have investors that are pooling their money, maybe taking it from commercial and putting it into residential. There are many reasons. With all that being said, it is estimated that the U.S. housing market is in a shortage of 4 million homes. And developers cannot keep up the pace, in addition to this whole lumber shortage thing. So all of this demand, coupled with a slowdown in factories and mills that make materials for new homes, they've caused major disruption. Some builders right now are letting their clients know that it may be 18 months before they complete their new home. Now listen, that's on some of the places. I don't want to scare you like you can't get a home here in Texas or a new construction home. You just want to know where to go to know where to build, okay? So just a side note, it's not everywhere, but it is for some people. So what's causing this? The price of lumber has risen 180% in the last year, and that adds about $36,000 to the cost of buying a new house. Why? Well, when the pandemic hit, the sawmills closed and production has been slow to return as many positions remain unfulfilled. You can also blame a bug. It's called the mountain pine beetle, which has been thriving in the forests of British Columbia with the warmer temperatures. So they kill the trees, leaving the leaves with a red tinge. These little pests have attacked 44 million acres in that area. And we get about 25% of our lumber from Canada. And now Europe, they actually have a surplus of lumber, but as you can imagine, is very costly to ship it from Europe to the US. Supply chain hiccups have also caused delays for new windows and appliances. And believe it or not, a global microchip shortage has put a strain on microwaves, ovens, refrigerators, and washing machine factory production. And in Texas, we have what's called radiant barrier, and there's a shortage on radiant barrier. So we just got a letter from one of the builders saying, hey, just to let you know, I know that radiant barrier is supposed to be included in this home, but we're not gonna put it on it. And I'm like, oh, radiant barrier, Google it, but it's this, it's a silver, it's kind of like putting aluminum under the decking of your roof, which lowers the temperature in the house, which is awesome. So some builders can't provide it right now. Instead, they're upgrading the insulation to still help with energy costs, but I'm a little partial to radiant barrier. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Besides new homes, families are remodeling and upgrading their current houses, which puts a further strain on the availability of all these items. So all that being said, buying a new home, it is possible, but it takes a little bit of planning accordingly. For instance, take a look at communities a little further from the city. Oftentimes they have more inventory and a better indication of when and what homes will be available. And the bottom line is get a real estate agent in your corner, especially not saying that my team's the best, but it is the best. They work with builders and know these builders on a first name basis because we build so many homes with these builders. So sometimes, like, I'm hearing stories from my agents saying, hey, I was able to get in, and based on our relationship, they could move some things around for my client. So it may take a few months to get the resources needed to finally close on your brand new build, and it will happen, but just be flexible and maybe set your expectations accordingly. Talk with your real estate agent to get more details. So Dana, tell me the next step. Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether you are a year out or even need to move this month, the next step is to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below. In the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a dream home and in a community. And after you share your favorite snack, you will click the submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. We will get to meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Texas. Then we will narrow down some great areas for you. And when you're ready, I have a team to help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead, don't be shy. The link is below in the description. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and you can get to know me a little more in a more personal way. I look forward to meeting you.